Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add keyboard in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Time and Language. Click Language. Click Add Language. Type any language. Click Next. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.